In this video, I will show you how to fix Tesla number plate Model Y. So we have in here the article that can help us installing front license plate bracket. So to do that, you just need to head over and get some alcohol to test it on non-visible painted surface of your vehicle to confirm that it does not damage or remove the paint. Clean the mounting site with isopropyl alcohol and allow to dry for at least 1 minute. Fully remove the protective tape from the adhesive at the top of the bracket and partially remove the tape from the top of the adhesive on each side. Leave the bottom half of the tape on the sides in place and fold the unattached tape outward for easy removal after aligning the bracket to the bumper. It actually looks like this, and then after that, tilt the top of the license plate bracket away, and it should be able to look like this right there. Now, place the actual top of the bracket against the bumper and apply pressure. In that way, it will be held by adhesive. Now you can just input that right here and use the four supply screws to attach your license plate to the bracket right there.